That's what I call tourist hell. Well, I'm in Venice. I just came to the island by the boat because we're staying at the airport. Today I don't have any plan, I just have a map. So I'm going to walk around the island, the city, and I'm going to film. My first impressions, honestly, I'm pretty surprised because my expectations were different, but this is a very unique place. I really like it. And so far the best places I've ever seen are the places without tourists. They have a special atmosphere, this architecture. It's just so different. Every building is different, looks different. It has its own charm. Quite a unique place. But definitely it's quite nice when you don't estimate too much from the place you're going to, and it really surprises you. This is really unique place, and probably the first time I say something like that about the Italian city in general. It is definitely a nice place without tourists. I definitely have to revise my flight plan ASAP. Even my favorite tourists are here. I mean, from the Far East. I must admit it's the first time when I want to take a picture of every building I see, because they're so different, they're so unique. I must say now I have a kind of a flight plan, and right now I'm going to see the main famous places in Venezia, but I'm choosing the empty streets, and the main goal is to see everything before the sunset. And definitely, one day is not enough. You need more time to see everything. That's what I call tourist hell. It's terrible, terribile. I have to get out of here as fast as possible. I think that those guys at the second boat haven't paid for that, but they have it for free. And as I'm surrounded by a lot of tourists right now, I hear a lot of same phrases. Okay, where to go? Where to the left? Where to the right? I'm lost. And yeah, it's actually pretty difficult to navigate in here if you're not properly prepared. And while I was planning my walk through the city, I was also trying to remember where should I turn, to the left, to the right, or 2 times to the left, third bridge to the right. But anyway, I checked the map quite often. And now I came to one of the main places, Piazza, hold on a second, one more second, Piazza San Marco. thinking that the best time to come here is during the low season, because there will be less people, you'll have more space for yourself, and there will be less people in your photos and videos. Such views without people in the frame are priceless. This one is also leaning. I will have to read about it. People were telling me that don't go there during the summertime because the water smells so bad, but honestly, I didn't smell anything bad, and I didn't even smell dog shit or human shit in the streets. Surprisingly. And this is how they fix the buildings. Some people love to travel in style. And I totally understand them. If you can afford such a boat, why not? It was, and it's still a good day. I walked 12 kilometers through the city, and even though I haven't seen everything, but it's time to get on the boat and go back to the hotel. Thanks for watching, and right now the short movie about Venice. Enjoy.